Here's how you can add new grant proposals inside of Grant Frog. Once you're logged in to the app, you just need to go to the grant proposals menu. Here, you'll be able to see a list of any grant proposals you currently have, grouped by their status of whether they're in progress, submitted, upcoming, or received. So, to add a new grant proposal, click Add Grant Proposal. And now you want to enter in the title. This could be the name of the program or the project. So in this case, we're just going to enter in Feeding Penguins. And the funder here, if you already have added funders to the system, you can choose the ones that you have or you can choose new. Right now, we're just going to choose a current one. And then we want to choose the status. Now, just depending on where you are, whether you're still working on it or you've submitted it, or maybe it's upcoming, is up to you, but you can choose the status. So in this case, we're going to say that it's in progress. We're working on it. And the due date is 3 weeks from now. The amount requested, we're going to say 15,000. Now, even if you haven't submitted it yet, it's good to put in this amount so you can see. And then if you need to change it later when you're writing a proposal, that's not a big deal. You can go back and change it. Once you've actually submitted the proposal, go ahead and enter in the date requested, and then hopefully you'll receive it. You'll be able to add in the amount received and then the date that the funder responded. You can also add a program here. So you can choose from an existing program that you've already added, or you can add a new one. In this case, we're just going to select an existing one. And then if you want, you can also add some specific notes to the grant proposal. If this is a grant proposal for a client, you can again choose the client or you can add a new one. So we'll choose that and then we'll press save. Now, this is the main screen of the grant proposal now. Anything can be edited. So if you need to change anything or you put something in incorrectly, all you need to do is click edit, and then you can change the information that you have. You can also add things like the URL of the folder. Again, you can add notes and change your client if needed. Then we press save. Now, once that has been saved, we can go back to the dashboard and we'll be able to see this grant proposal on our dashboard because it's due within 90 days. So if we look here, this is the upcoming grant proposals within 90 days. And we can see it's here, the due date 8/30, the title of it, and the fact that it's in progress. So you can use this as a good indicator of what you need to work on for the next few weeks or few months. And that's how you add new grant proposals inside of Grant Frog.